reviewing, I don't know if you can hear the baby in the back. I'm reviewing this Godefroy tint kit today for my eyebrows. As you can see, I have a lot of thinning up here, so, and a little bit down here. So I like to tint my eyebrows. Now, most people know, but some don't. Depending on how often you wash your face or wet your face, determines how often or how long your brow tint will last. So with that said, for me personally, I've used this kit once and it lasted about a week. So I'm gonna do it again. I'm gonna show you guys how I do it, and yeah, let me know what you think. First thing I am doing today is laying down a towel, because the first time I used this, I got some on my sink and it's still stained. So so that you can avoid that, please use a towel or something over your sink. This is what you get in the kit. You get a application brush that's reusable. You can wash it. You get a developer of 3%, a little cup here, and then the color powder is in these little capsules here. Do not consume these, please. They are not vitamins or pills. This is the color Natural Black. And yeah, here's my process.
I am using my brush to mix it because I forgot to get a mixing stick or orange wood stick or anything like that. I forgot. You can use probably a Q-tip to mix this. You have that. I'm just gonna use this and hope for the best. Now I do recommend using like Vaseline or some sort of oil on your skin to protect the areas of which you do not want the dye. But I am going to just simply use nothing. Because I like to think of myself as a pro right now. I've been an esthetician for a while, and I didn't really know how I want my eyebrows, so I'm going to leave this here.
I always clean up after myself after I use stuff before I actually do what I'm supposed to do. So I'm just gonna get a little bit on the tip there. And if you get it anywhere where you don't want it, you can simply wipe it off. I would do it pretty fast because this develops quite fast. I learned that when I accidentally got the product on my hand last time because I did not wear gloves. Much like this time, I did not wear gloves. To do it before and after, wonderful, but you can compare it to my other one. It looks darker on camera than what it actually is. My baby's getting mad at me. Okay, so this is after one application. I'm going to apply again. I would leave it on probably about 3 minutes for myself personally. And then I take it off, and then if I need to reapply, I'll reapply. Now, I'm not gonna lie, the second time around, it's a little itchy, but depending on the dye, sometimes it's normal. It is dye, so. But yeah, I will be back with the final result. All right, so these are the results of my right eyebrow. And my left, I did do. For some reason, my right eyebrow always develops better than my left. So these are my eyebrows.